That chain, because otherwise it's going to roll. There we go. Yeah.
Oh wait, there's another one.
We'll find out.
So you know what it does? It creates a hole all the way down to bedrock and moves the void. It like goes all the way down to the void. And also the third one, I think this is called
It's on Facebook now.
and it destroys everything but stone
So I know how they do this.
Like spread them all out, create a wasteland. Like completely remove every single thing but stone. That one.
Okay, well, get another one. I don't want it to twist off when I understand. Right down in there. Sorry.
This will have to match that diameter. That way you can stick it in there.
Now what's the sock for?
That's what seals it.
What you gotta do also.
The packing.
Oh, so you put that in and then the golf ball on top of it?
Right.
Got it.
What happens is you may stick in the onion.
Well, Craig, your first shot's on Facebook.
Videoed?
I've got it on Facebook for you.
Did you label it redneck fun?
No, it's a series of posts that I've been doing.
And I can take some of that green dot.
There you go.
The most I've ever done was 3 of those cups at the auditorium and Sabine we did it from. It's crazy to beat up.
5. Oh. Brianna has wanted to be an adult for 8 more years.
Old school days, dude.
Oh yeah.
Got 12 left. You know, it's like I only got 1 more flash.
My kids are out. He's out in 5. He's out in 6.
I don't see him putting any more.
Yeah.
All right, brother, you get the next shot.
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
If anyone's going to jail, we're going together.
And Brian's 9. So,
You can take him to,
You need to roll it up there, son. Roll it up further. Oh, yeah, got to roll it up. Hang on, man, don't worry.
yeah, we're in the big.
Pop it.
You got invited. Okay.
roll it back up and tilt it down. That was pretty good for the first shot. I think you need to put a bullseye, and if you hit the bullseye, everybody gets a chunk of beer.
I like that plan.
I like it too, like we have to do something like
Make it interesting.
bring the video out to a wet and go like
It's a redneck beer drinking game.
It's a new one. We invite Cheryl every time. That's the downfall.
No game's perfect.
Well, you know, we can always send out beer runs when we run out of beer.
Hey, you're good at that, Darren.
Rednecking 101, baby.
We need to put this on YouTube. Okay, Brian.
One, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. We're background level.
Well, I know, but
I'm afraid it's going to get the ground.
just look at it though. Look how perfect it is from one extent to the other.
Wow.
Now you got to get the happy medium.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Is there any beer in there?
Yeah. So we'll be going.
I gotta go.
I want beer. How hot is the barrel?
It cools up. It cools off pretty quick.
Hey, Merrill, it hit the mode compressor and then bounced back out.
Really?
Well, it had to because it was sitting right here. There was a hole right on the inside of the compressor.